Good morning, everyone. Today is an important day, at least for me personally, because today this channel is getting a big upgrade. And right here with me, I have the brand new Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. It's going to completely revolutionize the camera quality, the editing process, all of the above for this channel. So I thought for this week, since it's such a big stepping stone, why don't I do a little unboxing? So that's what we're going to do today. Our first step here, before we get to opening up this bad boy, is getting a little bit of reference footage. So for our subject today, we have this bottle of olives. Look at it just sitting there. It's like the Mona Lisa sitting in the chair before Da Vinci decides to put a paintbrush to canvas. So we're just gonna get a little close-up shot. Okay, back it up a little bit. Get a little pan around. Here we go. Getting a little bit of shadows there. Either way though, beautiful. So that's what we have to compare it to. Alright, first impression right off the box, no hesitation, no delay. Boom! That's what we're working with here. So I got the dark gray, kind of blackish. It looks nice. This looks sleek. And it is actually way bigger than my other phone. So this right here is my old iPhone 13 phone case, and then this is the brand new phone case that I'm going to use, and you can just see the difference. I mean, look at this. It fits completely inside, and there's an extra little like ½ inch at the top there. So this thing is definitely a lot bigger than the phone that I currently have. But regardless, I'm gonna get this out of the box. I'm gonna let it charge up for a little bit, and then we're gonna go through the setup process. And then hopefully we'll be able to test the quality on this little jar of olives here. So let's just get to it. Beautiful. And here it is, powered on. We're just gonna go through the beginning steps of getting the phone set up and things along those lines. And then we're gonna go do our little test, and I also gotta port over all of my old videos. Hopefully these videos port over, so that way I don't have to worry about transferring these through the computer. So let's just see what we can do here. It's here, y'all. This is the first video I am recording on this brand new phone. Man, I am so excited. I completely forgot though, there's a little bit of a process when you start a new phone. I had to delete all the bloatware. I had to like get some of my apps downloaded and stuff like that. I had to do like a ton of logging in, just getting all my passwords connected and stuff. I forgot it's a whole process, but this is it. Yeah, I gotta play around a little bit more. I'm gonna get more used to the features, but just looking at the screen's way bigger. So now if I'm looking at myself on the camera, it's a lot more obvious, but regardless, I'm so excited. One feature that I just randomly stumbled upon when I was trying to figure out how the phone works is I'm pretty sure if I like double click the power button, it flips it. Look at that. Look, there's the old one. It's just sitting there. Look at it. Look at it. Ain't nobody want to use this thing anymore. So I told you that we're going to do the test. So let me move this. Let's get the studio light back on. And here we go. There is our jar of olives. Let's just get in here. Look at that. I mean, I don't know if it's just because the screen quality is better, if the camera really is living up to the hype, but this looks awesome. I'm loving this new phone. So I think that's just about going to wrap it up for today. I didn't want to do any crazy video this week, mostly because it's finals week, but I promise you, now that I got this new phone, things are going to get so much better. But for right now, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys next week for a video, as always. Tuesday mornings at 10. Love y'all. Bye.